sky has tiny whispered tales of silver moons and comet trails, of clouds that sail like ships of cream, and stars that blink inside a dream. The breeze will hum a secret song. It's soft and sweet, it drifts along, tells the trees to sway and dance, and gives the butterflies a chance. The morning paints the hills in gold, while flowers in their beds unfold. The night then wraps the world in blue, and tucks the sun away from view. So listen close, the sky will speak. Its magic hides in every peak. And if you wish with all your might, you'll ride a rainbow out of sight.